Okay, so as you can see, everything is flipped backwards now. These are all the pieces we have. I don't need this piece here. This piece is the cutout for my print that I already printed. So we're going to automatically ignore that. And everything else we're going to cut out and select our settings. So I have stuff saved already. So pretty much we're going to hit cut. This part is going to be glitter acrylic. So it's glitter acrylic. I will show you guys my settings. This is my settings right here. I do glitter acrylic 180 full power 2 passes. And my settings that I checked that for was medium black acrylic. And same with this one. We're going to cut. This one is going to be just colored acrylic. And then this one is going to be mirror acrylic. So all the settings are the same. It's just different powers. So the glitter acrylic is full power, speed 180, 2 passes. The white acrylic, the color acrylic, is full power, speed 170, 1 pass. And the mirror is, again, the same. Full power, speed is 160, 1 pass. And those are all the settings. And I could only cut one material at a time. So what I do now is I go here and I'm going to actually hit ignore. Ignore and ignore, and then you will come back later and change those settings again. I just showed you guys the settings I use ahead of time, but we're gonna hit ignore. Once this part cuts out, we're gonna come back here. We will ignore this one, change this one to a cut, and then go to color acrylic. Then we will ignore this one, come back, change this to mirror acrylic, and ignore everything else. So we have this. I'm gonna go put my green acrylic in, and we would go to our machine now. Okay, you guys, so I have my green glitter acrylic in my GLOWFORGE. That's what this is here. And now I just have to move my design to a place to cut. I'm gonna just put it right here at the bottom. And as you can see, I have all my other layers ignored because I'm just cutting that piece out. So again, that is cut out at 180. Full power 2 passes. And then we're gonna just go to, I always do this first, set focus, select the area just to make sure the height is correct. And then once that goes, we will go to print at the top over here. All right, we're gonna hit print, and it's gonna calculate our time for us. That's gonna take 47 seconds. And we're gonna go to our machine and hit the print button. I also have an external fan, so I'm gonna just turn that on. I usually do about 4 to 5. Up here it has 8 levels, and I do like 4 to 5. And it goes right out of my window. So this is the green acrylic. We are ready. So I'm gonna hit this button here, and we're gonna cut. You guys can see it cut it out, and now it's going to cool down. While it is cooling down, we're going to come here and we're going to ignore this one now. We're going to do the white layer. So we're going to select that one, hit cut, and that's going to be colored. And then we are going to hit, and then we're going to take that out, put our white material in so I could put this design in the right spot on the white acrylic. Okay, you guys, so I put the white acrylic in, and I need to get this little red outline that's like very glowing over onto this piece of 3M. So I'm just gonna take it and we're gonna resize it, and I think I need to actually turn it to get it to fit, just like that. As you can see, it fits perfectly there. And then we are just going through the same thing, hit set focus, and then hit print, and then it will go and print. So this is everything cut out. As you see, we have the green piece here, the glitter piece. This is the gold mirror acrylic for the name. That will just sit right on top. And on the back, we have the 3M tape. That's basically going to act as our glue. We'll just peel that off, stick that here. We have our Princess Tiana piece that also has the 3M on the back. That will stick here. And all we're going to do now is peel this protective layer up. And we are going to, this is our, you can see that, our image here. We are going to press this onto here on our heat press machine once that heats up. So this is how I get my sublimation piece ready. I just line it up as best as I can and I tape it down, and then we will take it and we will just flip it upside down on our heat press and press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, so I just pressed the acrylic. It's a little hot. So once you press it, it will look something like this. Do not be alarmed. All you're going to do is take some water, spray it on top of here, and scrub it with a rag. And this is what it looks like after. You see, it came out super nice, super good. It is a matte finish, so if you want it to be shiny, you could go ahead and add some UV resin to it to shine it right up. We can start the rest. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to remove this back adhesive here, and it will look something like this. And you could literally just take this and press it onto here. I like a little bit more security, so I just take this Gorilla Super Glue and I just add it to random. I put it on the back of, I put some on here, and I just take this little silicone brush, I dip it in the glue, and I just kind of add this to random little spots up here. And you don't need a lot at all. Just so I know it's really going to stick. Because I did find that sometimes with like little skinny pieces like this, it will start to move. So I will do that, and I'll come back and show you guys how I press it on. And then we just take it and align it like so. Then I just drop the name, and once I get it to my location, I just kind of press it down so it really adheres like so. And then we let it dry. And then you would just remove the 3M on the back, add a little bit of super glue, and then just place it. And this is what the necklace is looking like, you guys. Now all we need to do is add our hardware. Okay, now we need to attach the chain to the necklace. So the chain, we're gonna need 2 pieces of the chain. So I am making a 16-inch chain. So each piece right here is 8 inches. 8 by 8 equals 16. And then you're gonna need one of these little hook things, the little lobster claw things. Mine looks like this. And you're gonna need jump rings. You're gonna need 2 jump rings for this part here, and then you're gonna need a jump ring to connect this other part. I'm actually gonna need 2, so I do need another size, because the jump ring, because the lobster claw I got has a jump ring attached, but it's actually welded together and I cannot open it. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take my smaller jump rings. I am using jump ring size 6 millimeters, which is the smaller ones, and 8 millimeters, which is going to be to connect the actual necklace onto the chain. So you take these, you take both sides, and jump rings, very important. You want to twist them open, not pull them open. So you're going to just twist it. I'm going to connect the lobster claw, and then I'm going to just put it onto the link. And then you're going to twist it back close. If there's any gaps, I take my pliers and I just kind of squeeze it. And then you're going to get another small jump ring, and then your other small jump ring is going to go on the other chain. So again, you just twist it open. And you're going to just loop the chain right on. And then you're going to twist it back. And those were our two 6mm jump rings. And now we're going to take our 8mm jump rings, and again, we are going to twist those open. And we're going to slide our necklace through the jump ring. And we are going to slide our chain on. Now, I usually put my lobster claw chain on the right side of my necklace because a lot of people are right-handed, so that'll be easier to clamp over there. That's just my preference. It really doesn't matter. So this is the left side of my chain, so I'm going to take the chain with just the one jump ring, and you're going to take the opposite side of the chain that does not have the jump ring, and you're going to loop it through there. And then we're just going to take this and we're going to twist the jump ring back closed. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. Get your jump ring, twist it open. Put your necklace on. And take the opposite side that does not have the jump ring on already. Loop that through. And just twist it back closed. And there we have it. We have our chain on. And you could take the lobster claw, link it to that jump ring. And your necklace is done. Super easy, you guys. And now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And this is the finished product, you guys. This is the necklace. That is Princess Tiana. The name, as you can see, is mirrored. You can see me there. And here's another one I made. This is a Minnie Mouse one. And it says Mila. And this one here is a 14-inch chain. This one here is a 16-inch chain. And this one is for a 2-year-old. This one is for a 4-year-old that is about to turn 5. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will be making more videos like this because I do have more designs I want to do. Let me know if you guys want to see me design all the different designs I'm going to be doing, or if you want me to just do like a speed through of the designs and then we'll just assemble it together. Or if you want more detailed videos like this one. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.